Alright guys, on this episode I got Simone in here to tell us about a new law change in regards to house and granny flats. Don't go anywhere. Alright guys, so today I'm with my father, Simone, fresh in from being on site, and there's recently been a bit of a change in regards to the laws in regards to house and granny flats. So in particular around the water tee-offs to separate the water. So I'll let my dad take over, and first of all, why don't you tell us a bit about what the scenario was before?
Hi everyone. Yeah, the scenario was before when we had a house and granny flat with the water tee-off, the main meter had to be at the house. So they couldn't tee off at the front of the property.
The meter at the front.
The meter at the front.
Yep.
So now, the job we just done recently, a house and granny flat, the plumber's just informed me, it was one of the first jobs that he done, so we can tee off at the main property, at the meter, not near the curb, but near the council strip there.
Okay.
So we can have the main meter of the house on one side, then they can tee off and have the granny flat meter right next to it. So they've got to have both meters there, they don't have to enter the property at all, which I think is better for everyone, win-win.
Okay. So there you go. So what is up? So what you're saying was that before we weren't allowed to tee off at the main, at the front of the property, we had to bring it into the house.
That's right.
And then separate it at the house.
That's right, we had to bring it in now. Yeah,
so now we can tee it off at the front of the property.
Yeah, that's right. So now they can bring it to the front of the property, and when they bring the water, they bring one water for the house, then one water to the granny flat, to the side or the back or wherever it belongs to.
Beautiful, heaps better.
Heaps better, yeah.
Good stuff. So guys, if you know anyone who's interested or doing house and granny flats at the moment and that would like to know more about this particular topic, leave them a comment below, tag them so they can get a better understanding around water separation when it comes to house and granny flats. Have any questions? Let us know. Otherwise, we'll see you next time for another episode of Simone TV.
Bye, everyone.